Let's be real. We've all seen backyards that look like this. Neglected, overgrown, and frankly, a bit of a nightmare. That murky pool, the broken concrete, the falling down fence, it's a space that's completely lost its potential. But if you think this is hopelessness, think again. We're about to look at 11 incredible ways this exact kind of disaster zone was turned into an absolute paradise. If you're sitting on a fixer-upper backyard, get ready to be inspired, because these transformations are next level. Look at this first stunning option. This is a masterclass in classic clean design. They've replaced that old mess with a beautiful, crisp blue pool, edged with elegant blue stone coping. The horizontal wood fence provides warm privacy, and the landscaping is spot on. Hydrangeas and ornamental grasses create a lush but orderly feel. The large format bluestone pavers for the patio define the lounge area perfectly. This style is timeless and perfect for families or retirees who want a low-maintenance yet sophisticated space, especially popular in the Northeast and Midwest US for its enduring appeal. Now, this is how you bring a vacation vibe right to your door. This design transports you straight to the Mediterranean. The key here is the smooth stucco walls paired with vibrant bougainvillea and potted citrus trees. The dark blue tile in the pool creates a deep, inviting look, contrasting beautifully with the warm terracotta pavers. And that stone fire pit with the built-in bench, it's the perfect spot for evening entertaining. This is a dream setup for couples who love to host, ideal for climates like California, Florida, or the Southwest. For those who love sleek lines and modern design, analyze this incredible transformation. It's all about minimalism and texture. The dark, horizontal wood fence creates a dramatic backdrop for the architectural agave plants. The pool coping and the fire table are cast concrete, giving it a clean, industrial edge. Notice the underlighting on the fire table? It adds such a high-end feel at night. This is a perfect look for young professionals or design-conscious homeowners, a very popular style in modern urban areas or the desert Southwest. Okay, if your house is the go-to spot for parties, you have to see this layout. This is the ultimate entertainer's dream. The centerpiece is that massive pergola housing a full outdoor kitchen and bar. It anchors the entire space. Travertine pavers give it a luxurious feel, and the mix of dining and bar seating means there's room for everyone. The string lights and lush tropical-style planting make it feel festive day or night. This is ideal for families and social butterflies across suburban USA and Canada. Need a place to de-stress? Look at this Zen-inspired sanctuary. They've swapped the chaos for complete tranquility. The bamboo fencing sets a calming tone immediately. You have a beautiful plunge pool with a sheer descent waterfall, next to a dedicated hot tub spa. The composite decking is practical and warm, and that Japanese maple and rock garden are pure artistry. This design is perfect for busy professionals or couples looking for a private escape, working brilliantly in the Pacific Northwest or any urban backyard needing privacy. This transformation completely reimagines what a backyard water feature can be. Instead of a traditional pool, they've gone with a stunning, naturalistic swimming pond. It's all about organic shapes with flagstone pads, large boulders, and a cascading waterfall. The planting is lush and woodland-like, with ferns and water lilies, and that little wooden bridge is charming. This is a dream for nature lovers and gardeners, a fantastic option for cooler climates in the Midwest, Northeast, or Canada, where you want a landscape that feels native. Get ready for pure luxury. This design looks straight out of a 5-star resort. The star is the huge infinity edge pool covered in shimmering blue mosaic tile, featuring an incredible sunken fire pit lounge right inside the pool area. The large format tile patio, the sleek outdoor kitchen, and the dramatic lighting on the palm trees and back wall create an ultra high-end feel. This is for the homeowner who wants the absolute best in entertaining and style. Perfect for warm regions like Florida, Texas, or Southern California. Now here is a practical, fun-filled backyard designed with family in mind. The bright blue pool has a fun slide and a large sun shelf for little ones. They've used low-maintenance artificial turf for a green play area that always looks perfect, and there's plenty of space for a playhouse and a large dining set for family meals. The white vinyl fence is clean and durable. This is an ideal setup for young families across North American suburbs who want a space that's fun, safe, and easy to care for. Let's look at a beautiful example of traditional hardscaping. They've created a stunning sunken patio using classic brick pavers in a herringbone pattern. The circular fire pit is the focal point, surrounded by a curved retaining wall that doubles as a planter for a gorgeous mix of flowers and herbs. It feels incredibly cozy and established. The string lights and comfortable seating make it so inviting. This timeless style is perfect for families or older couples, fitting in beautifully in the Midwest, South, or Northeast US. Check out this modern entertainment hub. This is where technology meets outdoor living. They've used sleek gray composite decking for a contemporary look. The pool has cool integrated LED strip lighting, but the real showstopper is the lounge area with a huge outdoor projector screen. Add in a full outdoor kitchen, and you have the perfect spot for movie nights or watching the big game. This is fantastic for families with teens, sports fans, or movie buffs, workable in almost any suburban setting. Finally, look at this incredibly unique, artistic courtyard. The weathered Corten steel fence is a massive design statement, providing a rustic, industrial backdrop. Instead of a swimming pool, they have a reflective pond with water lilies. The pergola features a porch swing and an amazing living plant wall. The ground cover is a mix of gravel and large flagstones, giving it a chic bohemian feel. This is a perfect low-water style for artists or couples in the Southwest, Texas, or anyone wanting a unique urban oasis. From a muddy, neglected mess to 11 distinct, incredible paradises. It just goes to show that no space is beyond saving with the right vision and design. Which one of these transformations was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more amazing home makeovers, smash that subscribe button and check out the link in the description for more design inspiration.